Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Savannah if you are new here. If not, welcome back to my channel. So you guys know that I'm going to be moving. I'm going to be moving into my very first apartment with my boyfriend, and that's the first time I'm officially saying he's my boyfriend. Y'all notice anything? Anyways, but we're gonna be moving into an apartment in Dallas, and we're super excited. We almost have like literally everything we need for the kitchen. Our living room wise, we have our couch, but other than that we don't have anything. And then bedroom wise, we don't have anything but just like what we have already, so like nothing new or anything. But I haven't packed or anything just yet, just because I've been waiting. But it's currently September 7th and we move on the 10th, so I move in 3 days, so I need to start packing. Today I'm just gonna be packing probably like my second closet, as well as just like some of the stuff that's like on my walls and things, and I don't know, just like stuff that I don't really need. And then as the week gets later and later, I'll probably start to pack up more of like the things that I actually need to start, you know, putting away that I use on a daily basis. But yeah, look at my little flowers. I got some new flowers. He bought me some yellow and white roses, but then he got me these little ones. I don't know if they're daisies or sunflowers. I'm not cultured with my flowers. But currently 2:34, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I need to go get some boxes though, because I don't have any. Basically that's the closet. Oh, let me focus. This is a closet that we're gonna be packing up right there. It used to be my mom's closet. She used to have this closet right here and then that closet, but right now this is just like my nephew's like miscellaneous things, I don't know. And then that closet has like all of my shoes, my hoodies, like my bikinis, like what else, that's pretty much it. It's really just like all of my like winter jackets and my shoes and things like that. So out here is where we have all of the boxes. This is like our little like dog area room. So these boxes right here all have kitchen stuff in them. I'll try to like, I'm actually gonna show you guys some of the stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a complete haul of everything that we have for the kitchen, because we did not buy any of this stuff. It was all like kind of given to us like hand-me-down wise. So yeah, we have like literally everything we need for the kitchen. So we have like these like black coffee cups. We have like a black dish set. This isn't really a good box to show you guys. Hold on, let me show you guys a different box. Also, sorry about that AC unit. It has to stay on. So we have like a measuring cup, we have a strainer, and then we have this like matching set of pots and pans. They look like this, and then I don't know if y'all can tell, but the handles are like tinted gold. So we have like a full set of that. Here's like a bigger pot, and then we just have like, we literally have everything. I can't wait to like actually get to show you guys like everything once we like put it all out and stuff. I don't know, how do you pack? I've never had to pack for anything. I've literally never moved a day in my life, so I don't know how to pack. And we don't even have like big boxes. Like these are all like little boxes. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So to sum it up, I basically decided to wait until my mom got home to pack, because I didn't know what boxes, like I didn't know where the right boxes were, so I just waited for her to like give me the boxes, and then I packed when she got home. Okay, so it's way later now. It's like 5:46. My mom's home and she finally got me the boxes that I needed. I just like literally did not know like what boxes to start with, just because I don't really want to have like them. I mean, obviously I know it's gonna be in like a bunch of boxes, but I just didn't want to have that. Like there were so many boxes that were like really little, and I didn't want to have like little boxes of just like all my clothes and stuff. The little boxes I can use for like makeup and things like that, so that's kind of like why I waited. But now I'm gonna start doing my closet. So this is the closet I'm gonna do today. So I have shoes. Right here is like my bikinis and stuff. I don't really like those boots, but then I have like literally all of my jackets. I have some more shoes, some heels and stuff, and then all of my shoes again, and then even more shoes down here. So this is what we're gonna pack up today.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona
Okay, so far I've done 3 boxes. So I just packaged up some hoodies. I got like that much done. And then I also packed up 2 boxes of shoes. I have all those boxes. But yeah, so I've gotten 3 boxes done so far. I did literally all of the shoes on this thing. And then all the shoes on that. On this little thing, I have like 2 pairs of heels that I need to fit somewhere. But other than that, pretty good so far. I just have to package up these few little jackets, my bikinis. And then all of these shoes, really, I don't know. Like, I think they could just stay in those boxes. So pretty much once I get my bikinis and these jackets done, I'll be done with this closet.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind.
Okay guys, so it's now 6:52 and Julia's here to help. Right now she's about to take all of those clothes out of that closet and put them in that box, and then I just have to get down all of these boxes and I'm gonna try to put them in here, and then I'm also gonna try to fit those last 2 jackets and my bikinis. But other than that, we've gotten all of these boxes done. I have 4 boxes. 2 of them are hoodies and jackets, and then 2 of them are shoes. So that's kind of the progress we have so far.
Excuse my language, that's a hang up on how sudden I'm feeling. Sorry, I feel no attraction and none of this feeling. 'Cause I've been so long, so long.
currently this is what everything is looking like. Those are empty boxes. Julia put all of my clothes that were like hanging up in these 2 boxes. My bikinis are in that box. I have all of these boxes right here, and then my like shoe rack thing. But I think we're about to go and move those boxes just like to where they're gonna sit until we move everything, just so that way I can like kind of clear out some of the space and we can pack more boxes. It's now 9:42. Me and my mom went over like the lease and stuff. We finally just signed the lease tonight. We set up the electricity, our renter's insurance, and all of the lease stuff tonight. So my mom was just helping me make sure I like read over everything and make sure, you know, I'm not like signing anything bad or anything like that. So she was just helping me kind of, you know, go over everything. But we did that. So I haven't really had a chance to pack anything else since earlier. So I finished that whole entire closet out there. I got all of the clothes in my closet packed up. But other than that, I haven't like done anything else. I really think that right now I'm gonna just do like some miscellaneous knickknack stuff and just like not film it, and then tomorrow we'll pick back up with like filming and doing all of that. So I might do a part 2 to this video, or I might have this video like all in one. I haven't decided that yet. I'll figure that out when it comes to editing and everything. But yeah, so today was day 1 of packing. I didn't really like, I feel like I did get a lot done, but also like I still have like this whole entire room to do. So I definitely think tomorrow I'll probably get the most done, and then on Thursday I'll probably get like all the like rest of like the little miscellaneous stuff like around the house, like in the stuff in the kitchen or like the hallway or the bathroom, you know, things like that. I'll have everything packed up and ready to go. So on Thursday we'll probably like load everything up, do all of that, and then Friday we'll head everything over to the apartment, get the keys, all of that, do the empty apartment tour. So excited for all of that. I'm super excited just to like have all these apartment videos and stuff. I've been editing like crazy and trying to prepare myself, like I've said. So I've been trying to get all those videos ready so that I can just like unpack and have like this time to really just like settle into the house and everything. So yeah, Julia's about to head over and we're gonna just hang out for a little bit, and then yeah, I'll see you guys either tomorrow or I'll see you guys in my next one.